We are on the brink, if not even at the start, of another global health crisis. And as a medical doctor by training, I'm appalled by the disinformation that threatens global progress on everything from measles to polio. And this is why today I can announce that the European Union will head a new global health resilience initiative.
I just want to know how she could even say that we are on the brink of another health crisis. How does she have that information? She then goes on to say that she is going to head the new Global Health Resilience Initiative. And I don't want you to become desensitized to the word global. Now, that didn't really used to be a possibility in the generations that came before us. But now, in 2025, being global or being connected to everybody all at once is most definitely a possibility. And the reason why it's a possibility is because of things like Palantir, where AI is able to collect everything all at once on anybody and everybody at the same time simultaneously. And there's a file on me and on you. And now it can all be localized. And so it's just interesting to see how these things are all kind of converging. And then also today, on September 10th, you have the Polish Prime Minister who is basically asking NATO to invoke Article 4 after a Russian drone invasion last night. And this is the first time in its history that NATO planes have engaged potential threats in Allied airspace. And then just a little bit ago, President Trump kind of makes a comment on this. And one of the things that he says is, "Here we go." Poland goes on to say that we are closer to armed conflict than any other time since World War II. Now, about these drones, of the 400 drones Russia launched toward Ukraine last night, about 100 entered Polish airspace, and some struck various targets. There's some pictures out there of some homes that were actually damaged from these drones. Now, this is interesting. This is an escalation, obviously. And I want you to just be sensitive to how all of this stuff is building up. It is building up, and this is going to result with something taking place. So you have the Russia and Polish thing taking place now. You have absolute chaos, which is erupting in France because their government has collapsed. You have Israel striking Hamas in Qatar. You have Nepal's parliament set on fire. What a time to be alive, guys. Tell somebody about Jesus while you still have breath in your lungs.